Okay, I'm going to do this video for people that want to have an early warning system if they have a flood or flood conditions at their place. As you can see, I'm living a flood condition right now, and one of the most important things that when you're living through a flood is to be able to have proper rest. And basically the only way to do that is to have some kind of a warning system so you can go to sleep at night. So if the water comes up, you have something that's going to trigger an alarm. And one way I've accomplished that is I do have a fire alarm here, and if we open it up and see, once your battery is connected, usually you can test the system just by pushing a button. Alright, so now what you want to do is you want to have that contact made through the water. So to accomplish that, we will take off the cover. Okay, and like this can be done if you have an extension lamp cord or an extension cord. I'm going to show you this demonstration here using the least amount of tools, I guess, or equipment. So as you can see, what it is when this goes down, it closes the alarm and gives you a warning. So what I want to do is I want to have a wire on the one side and a wire on the other side, and then what I want to do from there is I'm going to, for this demonstration purpose, I'll use just a regular extension cord. This way I can put my alarm wherever I want. If I want to put the contact point as if water would be coming up, say on the property, or in a pipe, or in your sub pump pit in the basement, you would just put this into one side of the extension cord into the part where you'd want, and then say the water would be 1 inch below or 2 inches below. You'd want to know if one of your pumps has stopped and get an alarm trigger. So what I'll do for that is I'll unwind this cord. Alright. Now, you can use lamp cord, you can use any kind of cord. Most places have a fire detector in them. I don't know if it's going to be battery that you have. It's basically, you want the battery ones. Or if you have anything that makes a beeping sound that has a switch that you can rig a switch on. Okay, so let's see if I try to fold this underneath there. This wire's kind of big. I need to get in there. There, I lifted that up. I'm going to be able to get in underneath there. As you can see, I'm just underneath there like that. So then the other side, get on the other side of the switch, the contact switch. I don't know if that's it right there. Yeah, that's the other side of that resistor. Okay, so I can fold this over. Okay, let's see how long it takes me to rig something up for a water monitor alarm system. And this is unbelievable. how it can. I'll unplug the battery till I get it set up. It's unbelievable how how well and like how much rest you can get just by something as simple as this. See, I have one underneath the contact there, a wire, and then I have a wire on that contact side there. It can be done just with a lamp cord or whatever you have. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, I hope you guys can see this. I'm going to just basically use my extension cord as an extension to where I want the alarm. Okay. This is coming out, so I'll fold that in there like that. Like, if you have a little soldering iron and some wire, you can solder this on. But I'm trying to do something here that would be for anybody that doesn't really have all the stuff, just by taking the alarm system, the fire alarm by itself, just like that. Okay, so basically, let's see if this is wind this one this way. Let's see if this is working now. So we'll plug this in. Now, as you can see, I got the wire on the one side, which is regularly the contact point. As you see, now I got the two wires there. So if I one side on each of the extension here. So now, if I short this out, you see I got an alarm. Alright, so now I will put this, say I'd put this close to my bedroom. Alright, the alarm close to my bedroom, and I would bring this. Okay, this gotta stay there. Alright. Now, give me a sec there. I'll just unravel this cord here. Okay, so this would be set in a location where you would, not far from where you're sleeping, so if it goes off it'll wake you up. And let's just go try it in some water here. So this, like I say, this could be, let's go a place where I won't sink in. This could be at a place where it's in your basement in some pump pit hole or whatever. So if it reaches water, I guess I don't have a good contact over there. Let's go try that over there again. Let's see what's going on. Alright, that's in there, that's in there. And when you're doing stuff like this and you're going to go to sleep, you always double check it to make sure it's working. And let's see now. Yeah. Okay, what's going on here? I mustn't have a proper contact in my extension cord. okay there, I think. All right. Yeah. Okay, before I go in the water again, let's try this. This is not working. So that means my contact is not good there. It's working too good now. Because the end here is wet. I'm going to dry this off. And start again. Test it again. Okay, let's see if... Alright, let's see. Yeah. It's not on the... Alright. Okay. So... Alright. Okay, what's going on here? Okay, now we got it. You see, when I short out these two prongs, so you basically want to get this situation. This is, like I say, it's a temporary fix for this, like just a quick fix if you're in a rush and you're in a flood and you don't have time to run to the store and this and that, and you have just used the limited things at home. I got 2 wires shorting out the contact switch on the battery powered fire detector. Okay, so now we're going to try it in the water. And like again, I was saying that this can be set anywhere in a sub pump or wherever. And see, you can set that so when the water comes up, so we'll go right in the water and you hear it. Take it out of the water, put it in the water. There you got an alarm system. An early warning is to wake you up in the middle of the night, or if a pump lets go or whatever. So I hope this helps somebody out. It helped me out. It helped me get some sleep. And I have one set up for in my sub pump pit, and I also have one set up in my drain. So if the sewer stops for the city, and if you're doing washing or want to take a shower, and then all of a sudden the sewer city sewer backs up, well, you can have this set up on the some sink or whatever, that if the sewer backs up or whatever, it'll give you a warning system also. Okay, so again, I hope this helps somebody. Oh, there we go. I guess it was getting some moisture there. Again, we'll short it out. There you go. So pretty simple, and I hope it helps somebody out. All right, bye.